Ebooks are becoming more popular as people choose digital reading options. People can annotate on ebooks by creating highlights, making notes, and placing bookmarks. As people continue to read ebooks, their archives of annotations grow larger. However, since ebooks don't have a physical presence, they become increasingly invisible. This makes it challenging for people to revisit these annotations or the memories and emotions bound to them. In our work, we explored using personal ebook highlights data to promote self-reflection and creative expression. We also used a large language model as a resource to support an ongoing dialogue with ebook highlights. Currently, there is no infrastructure that makes it easy for users to actively manipulate their ebook metadata. So we designed and built a web application, Quologue, that allows users to have dialogue-like interactions with their own highlights. Each week, Quologue randomly selects a highlight from the user's data and generates 3 keywords. The user writes a short reflection using the keywords over the week. Quologue synthesizes it with the selected highlight, morphing the original highlight into a new quote. Over time, users are able to morph their highlights archive into an archive of creative self-expression. While exploring possible output forms, we faced a series of challenges in working with the uncertainty of generative AI. As an end-user prompt engineer, it required a back-and-forth dialogue of testing and making compromises to move beyond our misguided expectations on its capabilities to reveal how it can be effectively utilized. As we continued living with the prototype system, we became more sensitive to the pattern of the system in producing different categories of output. And over time, we were able to develop a tactic to appropriate the system based on our intentions. Archives of ebook highlights have conventionally acted as reliable records of users' digital annotations. But as we interacted with Quologue, we discovered various potential avenues for metadata owners to appropriate, distort, and evolve their own metadata archive. The act of relocating the data collected through proprietary infrastructure and repurposing it for creative expression was pivotal in finding new design opportunities of our personal ebook data. We also found the research through design approach was valuable in discovering the design opportunities of AI, especially since there are still many unknown dimensions in what AI is capable of. Future research can look into how using generative AI for large personal data archives could change people's perception of their data.